This video is about how you can make some pretty good money on the internet without risking everything you own. Takes a couple $100. I'd recommend $500, and it's trading in the FOREX or foreign exchange markets. You could use a trading platform like this right here. These are all currency pairs in the FX. It's fairly easy to do. Good trading platform like this. You can get a practice demo account at aily.com, a $50,000 virtual trading account, and you can practice until you're really comfortable. Nothing up front to cost on. It's a good way to learn and a good way to make some really good money, and a lot of it, by the way. One of the things that you should have is a good trading system, and that's what this video is actually all about. A trading system called trigger lines, and this is a review of that trading system. Okay, this is a shot of the British pound US dollar daily chart, and this is the trigger lines trading system right here. It's really quite simple to look at here. It's a gold colored line, a red colored line down here, it's a light green and a blue. This gold color goes below the red, it's a sell. Look down here. This is the improved OSMA indicator to support this move. That says it's going down. Look at this. This is bright red. It's going down. You're getting a bit of a pullback up here, dark red. And look at it tightens up here. You got a pullback here. You can tighten your stops to save yourself here. And you can jump right back in because it's going down here. Now look when this ends. This trend line, this run here ends. You got the blue line, the green goes above the blue line because it changed colors, and it's going up. I'll zoom in on it a little closer here. This is how it's going along the day. This brings it up to today's trade here, and currently it's February 25th, 2009, and this is the end of the trading for this day here. This is kind of flattening out here, so it's probably going to go sideways for a bit, but that's okay. One side note, you can pick this indicator up at my blog, www.winningforextrades.com. It's there for free download. And I'm going to give you a quick shot of the broker I recommend, which is aily. I'll take a quick tour of that one and move it back in, and I'll zoom in here. This is a shot of the aily Forex trading brokerage site. You can Google this name here and it'll take you right into here. It's aily.com. It's a US branch. They have one in Europe and a New York office. One of the great things about aily is they're registered with the CFTC and the NFA. They're not afraid to put their number on the line to show you. They have a lot of good stuff in here that you can pick up. For new traders, it's really a good place to be. Get a free demo account here and the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which they use. Their market analysis guide and a lot of other good stuff. Tight spreads, 2 pips in the Euro USD. It's really it's a good place to trade through. I can highly recommend them. Okay, now I'm going to move on with the trigger line trading system. I'll give you a shot of this. You might want to consider it. Again, the demo account that you can get there is a $50,000 virtual money trading account. And you can trade to your heart's content, try out different things. Try trading this trigger line system. You might find you can make a lot of money with it. Okay, back to the trigger line. Okay, this is a zoomed in close-up shot of the British pound US dollar daily trading. The down signal here, the trigger lines, it changes colors right here. It's changed colors here, but you have to wait until this kind of thing happens right here. See the gap right there? The gold goes below the red. This is your trigger bar right here. Look down here. This is turned red down here. Your trigger bar. This is your trading entry right here. You go in on the open the day after the trigger bar. This does work on all time frames, by the way. I prefer the dailies. That's my own preference, but it does work on other time frames. But you have to get this part right here. It has to have the trigger bar right here, and that happens when these two lines separate. The gold color in this case is below the red. That's a trigger bar. You get in on the opening here, and you can have your stop loss right at the high of the trigger bar here and go 2 or 3 pips above it. Kind of stay away from the crowd. It's a good idea. It might protect you from getting stopped out. And then it goes down. It gets wider as it goes down. See how it progresses right here. When it tightens up here, tighten your stops up. You get stopped out. Okay, that's fine. You can get back in. Notice the bars on here, they turn to dark red. That indicates it's still going down. Here, the red is above the gold again. You can get back in right here, and you're going down. Move your stops. Have your stop above this bar right here, your trigger bar. It works out great. It's going down, and it changes right here. It's a little hard to get this shown down here because of this charting. But your trigger bar is right here. It changes colors. Notice the separation right there. This is the trigger bar. You get in on the open of this next day right there. And it works great. It went up. Your stop loss, your trigger bar, this one right here, remember. They got to be separated. Have your stop loss at the low of this trade right here. Okay, it's a very simple system. Just takes a little practice. Goes along great. All kinds of trades showing up, especially on the British pound US dollar. They trend a lot. Okay, I'm going to cut out here. Time restraints with the videos and all. Good trading to all. You can pick this up again at my futures blog. It's at winningforextrades.com. It's a free download, and there's some other things there. There's a video on there to show you how to install this thing now. I put that on the other day, so it makes it pretty easy. Till then, good trading to all. If you have any questions, just go to my site, www.winningforextrades.com, and click on the questions link at the top of the page in the blue bar. And you get access to a forum there. You can send me a question. I'll get back to you with the answer as soon as I can. Also, there's going to be a more detailed version of this video on the site as well. Good trading to all.